Mesi amre du na edu ama wan. Dr. Mahmood Bawonia. Me come outro. Ena me ka sembi na to obi ati.
All right, Abusha nya be share with you. Aha. Aye Ghana TV. You best stress mo be subscribe to the channel na mo fa ma adventure bra. E wo comment section ya me share with Abusha ye mami Adwoa Safo. E di nsem bia betuja. E wo le constituency over the weekend or share the constituency for na or the nsem bi etuja. Or see enya dia what time Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong on time baku see na say Ghana fokra bebre nima omun kan hu say oni Honorable Kennedy Agyapong awo emma baku two, one girl one boy fine nkola enti enya dia obetan ni kunu da but in politics no o say ye dia ebetuma buaye nti anka ono osusu say ye be allow Kennedy Agyapong say obe lead the NPP party no will be the biggest mistake ye be as an NPP party. But see, we allowing Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to lead the NPP party will be the biggest mistake I will ever do. Abusia, in the question now, amafo bebre ebisane say obia oni Honorable Kra awo pain etumi babontin eka nsem we ekere say there is something that we don't know about this man, and this woman is warning us against. Abusia for nti abusia mamino nsem na o kan we need to look into it because enya hwikra no she will get the chance to benefit more. Say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong become the president of this land, you know, because nima ebenya niyama bebre efisa position na ni kunu dada no benya. But this woman is telling us that we shouldn't look into that. Yeah, and my share say because only Honorable Aware Penent no ye kwa tu abama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Yeah, yes aniyama na it will be the biggest downfall of NPP. Anya shekrano oni ni eda ahmachi eya omu sorry etutu adwen na se oba betuma babo ntia be ka kire se iye se ye kunu mi kunu na musi mu pese mu fa nya flag bearer no emboa o say ye MPP for we didn't listen to this woman na say ye koye opposite de besino just would you imagine say no ye yire dada o mu wo emma baku two say benefit the ba onu ni ma betu manya more than you sa ni pan na e ka kire wo say sa step na wo pese wo fa no sa step no emboa part no even though say only me e wo ba mi no kra no onfa sa insem na o see your person lead the party no abusia for insem no e don so mo ma yenko na yenko tie ye mami Adwoa Safo insem a o ka
Mesi amre du na edu ama wan. Dr. Mahmood Bawonia. Me come outro. Ena me ka sembi na to obi ati. Me ye politician. Ena Honorable Kennedy Agyapong or ye politician. Kugudu. Minim say delegates bebre wa ha. Wukunu e polling station executive. Ena wo yire enso ye polling station executive. Mesrao obi ankura na dwen. Obi ankura na dwen wo politics mu. Obi ankura na dwen. Iti Honorable Ken kura na dwen. Okura ni ambition. Meso mi kura ma dwen. Meso me ye manyosem. Na manyosem na obi a eye no. Obi akọ bebia ne ho be Obia ko baby and who be day. Dr. AY3ka It. Maintain Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Menene womba pori ahofefuo mienu. Bemu abaako ena oba abaako. It maintain Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. But your family and friends and who do? Messi ya Efiena ya balo. Who do? Who do? Patro muntie mi o. Opposition na yaba na yabe fie no. E wo se ye besua nyansa o. Ya kotena ben mu ye family and friends. Ene ye ne. Iti amanyo semu a ye wo party level no. Me Adwoa Safo. Me se me nya den. Esa nse ye kwa ben mu koye bi. Ebo aye ya na asa amwa ye. Na me mamu example be. Me study contested to be MP in the year 2007. Atene we di amanyo semunimu a wokuo imu abesinne. Ma serve as member of parliament for 12 years. My deputy majority leader. Minister for procurement. Minister for gender. It may be some say, men somewhere. And Honorable Kennedy Agyapong so I am dear, Meboa. Men can say, or no nebefa. Nemom ye assume say, Wafa. Now I got now Jubilee House. Na mimi CV edda ho. Ya ka CV ya so wo kopa adwuma. Na mo hwe adwuma amaye. Ene somo amasom oman yi ene mama ne ko. Na se dru ho. Na obetimi ahwemanimu aka se oba menene wo mamienu. Ma appointed no as minister for BB. Ejabeto Ghana. Yes. Kukudu. And the Kennedy Agyapong, me no menena wumi no. Oh yeah. It's my political career is at stake. My future is at stake. And my future is with Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud.
Abuja for Minister of State in charge of information, no Kasama Ghana buying Felix Kwachofusu, bomb brutal. And I made here submission on TV. What can say $10 billion US a Bank of Ghana dumping into the forest market. Ghana yen shiri sikebia. Na me pese mo hwe no. Mu wi a mo mbra na me chirechire mu na mu hunu hawa mu minister yi wa bon. And you see I'm not going to use technicalities. Me ba be breaking it down and I'm going to stick to onwa narrative our dema to expose how bankrupt he is when it comes to forest trading. Any sikasemo enhye ne ntotoye. Ndi nya abotwe na hwe no wi abra back ne nkasa.
With the greatest respect to them, that is high profile ignorance. You know, the Bank of Ghana does not dash forex to the market. The entity in Ghana that has the legal status to sell forex, or as it were, procure forex for release onto the market is the Bank of Ghana. Their law mandates them to do so. So the banks or commercial banks, through which businesses also secure forex, buy forex from the Bank of Ghana. So they go and give the Bank of Ghana CDs, the CD equivalent of how much forex they want. The Bank of Ghana takes that money, gives it to Gold Board to purchase gold. The Gold Board then exports that gold, gets dollars and brings it back to the Bank of Ghana. So it's not like Bank of Ghana goes into its votes, takes dollars, and go and give it to commercial banks for free.
Oh, they are sticking to fellows Kwachofu in the narrative about what they might know. Yet, good board. Ghana buying a time, Ghana is sick at the mom, and one more to good. And that Dr. Bawabi had a good purchase program policy. And almost export here no munya $1 billion US. Yampan is umunya $1 billion US. And almost $1 billion US no. E come a Bank of Ghana. And a Bank of Ghana J 1 billion no. Or they call forest marketing. Or they call my banks no. Right? And that time no exchange rate $1 to 14 Ghana cedis. And the Bank of Ghana they $1 billion US and they call my banks no. See the equivalent of 14 billion Ghana cedis. Or this can and sign the common good board back and a good board and sign the quarter to good and or export sign a dollar beam and sign the another 1 billion every Bank of Ghana and a Bank of Ghana a 1 billion for the second time, but this time it's in year hana catch and one hana losses in ebebunum. This time no or this second 1 billion no echo a drama so no forest market in the na exchange rate no because the first 1 billion now called dampe no e ma dollar supply e cost na demand e wo from enti e reduce prices of dollar every 14 Ghana cedis about 11 Ghana cedis enti is no longer going to get 14 billion Ghana cedis no nya at the first transaction enti what the 1 billion sign corp forest market in mu biemu a obenya just 11 billion and every banks in ho meaning Ghana in that one transaction, actually 3 billion Ghana cedis. Actually 3 billion Ghana cedis. So cycle ne kobium. Now say second 1 billion no called deposit and reduce exchange rate about 10 Ghana cedis. Now say was signed the 1 billion Ghana cedis signed forest market in one. 11 billion, obenya 10 billion, and also yes, actually additional 1 billion. Every cycle omobe dampe dollars into the system, into the forest market. A be reduce exchange rate artificially. Ghana yeshri sika. That is the aspect of a Bank of Ghana and the Ghana by yeshri sika. Gold board also eboka. Gold board eboka. And me babe throw how a gold board and so boka. Gold board first transaction. Bank of Ghana to 14 billion and a debris gold board. And I was signed the quarter to good. And we are holding gold prices constant. And I was signed the quarter to good. Second transaction, when you're 14 billion and found a gold board, when you're just 11 billion and a break gold board. Meaning it's a gold board, there's one more top quantity, one more ton initially now. And so more kasa a top it up to buy the same quantity normal exporting as I am from him. Third transaction na dollar ne sign about 10 Ghana cedis no. Bank of Ghana enya 11 billion in farmer gold board obenya 10 billion and a diama gold board as nya short 1 billion nje so sign pesika right or pay yanka say taxes no they cut quantity of gold so export here obesnya 1 billion US dollars no dia ba and we see obi beka say exchange rate ni kofo na eboa Ghana fo a San can say she and carbine should see kakura san can say she, but this is the explanation. Sani kosono and boa Ghana businesses exporters who Oma ebu ye NDC fua Oma be forest bureau any oma dealing in forest illegally and yabutre me baby children. Moba kaya fisha sia yes dollar tiaba from yenya wuta form yenya mu abosu kan exporters omo complain say omo ko banks na omo dollar ni bi yes ya $2 good system ni mu but omo kwa bo mu nya bi and in fact yenya businessmen omo ba bonten be can say to get dollar to buy and the NDC aban you political connection to the extent saying the narrative na e wo ho and the Kufuado abanya o person o export ade import ade ba Ghana and now export ade now we issue instruction ma bankers are within 24 hours no ma send this kana ma supplier no and as o ma ye that transaction na ma a changing to the extent say obetimi an place you order be 3 weeks 1 month na bank ni nya dollar ma o en send ma o suppliers e ma yen fa wo ne ma embrego. And you know what was happening? What was happening in say Bank of Ghana for Edisicano Ecoma banks na na NDC mpanifoɔ no ɔma chinchin banks nensa na sika no yɛ de akwa akɔma ɔmo forest bureau NDC mpanifoɔ ɔma bie forest bureau ɛne ɔmo operate illegal forest trading aboki saa nkrɔfoɔ no ha enti businessman wokɔ bank na ohia dollar yɛse dollar ni hɔ nom na bank manager na ka kyerɛ sɛ batimi nim obi a obetimi ama obi enti Bank of Ghana de sika na ma banks no at 14 Ghana cedis. Okay, you use even 11 Ghana cedis net bar form. At 11 Ghana cedis, $1 to 11 Ghana cedis. And so we call bank now we be nyanisa. But bank never catch us say ye nibi. But we call aboki one now call forest bureau we be nibi but we be nyano at a rate of 13.5. And see ube who say individual businesses no NDC for no more forest bureaus no and no more pretty illegal forest marketing businesses no no making a lot of profit and your businessmen because at the end the rate na bafom but businessmen no kwakoto at the end forest bureau NDC for pretty ne aboki NDC for mo full soldiers ne apparatus omo kwakoto no aboarding enti fellas kwacho for su kachira wo say Ghana sika 10 billion ya dumping into the forest market to suppress the exchange rate yen lusu sika woboa wonim ho hwere ye tua ne sika gu keke ye boka pa sika ya hwere 10 billion out of 10 billion sika ya hwere ebe in excess of 3 billion US dollars and sika ne so enye say ye hwere aboa adwadifuo ye hwere aboa NDC for omo forest bureau ene omo operate this illegal forest trading and businesses in Ghana for mo